I think there are two issues which I would like to kind of particularly mention. These were passingly referred according to my understanding. And the issues are A, the commercialization interests that are there, and B, the democratic process that is important. In the sense that as Vijay mentioned in the beginning about water systems and passingly Madhulika mentioned about agriculture and so on. If we look at the entire scenario, post-colonial reality, it's through the knowledge systems, whether it is agriculture, whether it is Vastu Shastra, whether it is health systems and so on. It's unfortunate that people who can make big temples, big temple structures which people of the modern architecture will find difficulty, are not allowed to give certificate of building. It is unfortunate that after passing through BAMS, our Ayurvedic graduates are not allowed to give medical certificates and fitness certificates. Very funny. They can treat people, they are not allowed to give medical certificates and fitness to their own doctors on duty. There is a system which does not recognize the on-farm inputs, which does not recognize the value of seeds made by the farmers. If there is a government system where any help, any subsidy, any program, the seeds made by the farmers have no meaning. All the inputs made by the farmers on their farm have no place in the entire system of agriculture in the country. I see a thread into all this. And when Madhulika said, when Vijay said, that we have to, if we think of the Indian knowledge systems, these are not in isolation. The issue of democratic help and support that it requires is very critical. And the other issue of commercialization again is linked. In all these things, it is linked with commercialization. It's linked with the interests of industry. Even in a meeting of organic farming that was held about a month back, I was there in Ghaziabad, the major focus was the industry which is going to make organic inputs. And how do you organize that, how do you standardize that and so on. The same thing as in health is in agriculture, as in all the other knowledge traditions. Now that is the fundamental issue according to me, that unless the basic inherent strength of the society is brought forth in terms of knowledge system, in terms of technological options that Ritu is talking about, we will not be able to address these issues. That's a fundamental issue. I'll just add a couple of points to what others and Rayamurthy said. The entire question of orientation or training or strengthening these traditions is nowhere to be considered. The schemes, the way they are made, are not by the demand, etc., as you have been referring to as a bureaucrat, I mean not in a negative manner I'm referring you to, but by the vested interest to decide the policies. There are studies of ICMR to say, through the All India coordinated studies, that domiciliary delivery at home is better in many ways. These are studies conducted by ICMR. And we come out with an approach that Janani Suraksha Yojana has to be promoted, where unless the lady goes to the health center, she cannot get the benefit, which means eradicate all the dyes. That is a very severe design to eliminate the dyes. Whereas in reality, something like 80% of these deliveries in the health centers are being conducted by ayas, by Safai Karmacharis, and at the best by ANMs. 95% of the deliveries are not conducted by any of the professional doctors in the CHCs and the PHCs. While you are eliminating the guys who are trained, who are knowledgeable, who have a technology, who have all the training. And not only that, you do not allow the BAMS doctors to conduct deliveries. You allow a ayah to conduct a delivery, you allow a sweeper to conduct delivery in a primary health center, but you don't allow a BAMS doctor to conduct deliveries. Now this politics of commercialization and the downgrading of knowledge systems is responsible for the chaos that we are in. And as a matter of how do we treat this, we'll have to take a cue from here as to where to attack the system in the way you talked about, Hari. That it's the politics that Madhulika is talking about. Of these things that we have to take up rather than and I'll just give a...
Meru said we should give a chance.
Okay.